And we're back, and this time I'm going to show you how to recreate the Poprocket filter in Adobe Photoshop. You will find the image via the description link below. We only need two adjustment layers, both are gradients. We need to change the style to radial. And we need to change the color on the left hand side, so double click on the rectangle. First one should be kind of like a red, pink. Something like this. Just press OK 2 times and afterwards play around with the scale. You want to size that up. I'll just use the arrow keys here. 125 should be fine. I click on OK and I change the blending mode to screen. The first one is done. Let's go to the second one. Once again, gradient radial, but this time reverse it so it's on the outside. And when we scale it up, we'll move it away from the center. 150 should be fine here. Once again, we'll change the color. And we need more like a purple color, or a darker one. That should be good. And we change the blending mode this time to overlay. Afterwards, you can play around with the opacity of both adjustment layers. For example, I want to go down with the opacity of the pink one a lot. Like 75% should be fine. The purple one, I only go down slightly. If you compare to the original, you've got this typical Poprocket effect in Adobe Photoshop. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.